Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Today, we are going to dive deep into one of the most powerful and highly requested tools on the Questflow platform, the warehouse block. Picture a typical scenario. Your warehouse employees or field managers no longer have to run back to a desktop computer with pieces of paper just to update a report. Now, they can seamlessly add, verify, or modify any information in your corporate Google Sheets directly from their smartphones using a simple Telegram bot interface. It's the ultimate lightning-fast solution for inventory management, tracking daily sales, or maintaining any working database. Let's see just how quickly and easily this can be set up without writing a single line of code. To securely link the bot to your spreadsheet, we head over to the platform's general settings and open the Integrations tab. Questflow handles the security for you by automatically generating a unique technical email, a service account. Just copy this email address, open your working Google Sheet, and grant this service account standard editor permissions. It's completely secure and takes only a few seconds. Next, copy the URL of the spreadsheet itself straight from your browser's address bar, return to the Questflow settings, and paste it into the designated field. Hit Add. The system instantly connects to your file and asks you to select the specific sheet from a drop-down menu. And just like that, a complex database integration is completed in literally 2 clicks. Let's head back to our Visual Flow editor. Our warehouse block already sees the connected spreadsheet perfectly. We select the column we want to work with. In our case, it's the traffic column. Next, we define the action we want to perform. We choose Add New Value. To make it crystal clear for your employee, we type a quick custom prompt, something like Add New Value. We connect this working block to the Start node, hit the Publish button, and move on to the most exciting part, testing it in real-world conditions. We open our Telegram bot, clear the history for a fresh start, and hit Start. The bot greets us and offers an action to choose. We tap our button and the bot immediately pulls the entire up-to-date list straight from our spreadsheet. We pick any row from the list, for instance, this specific website. We type in a new number, 30, hit Send, and it's pure magic. Watch the screen carefully. The data in the Google Sheet updates instantly in absolute real time, with no page reloads needed. Need to update another item right away? It's effortless. If you have a massive database, you can even use the built-in search function right inside the bot to quickly find what you need without scrolling. We simply select the next website, enter the new number 254 and the sheet updates itself once again. Or we find the blog row, type 35, and it's done. Say goodbye to tedious daily routines, lost paper notes, and hours wasted on manual data entry. Set up a smart, seamless connection between Telegram and your spreadsheets with Questflow today.